Hello friends, in this video we will learn and write how to make sentences. So let's start. Number 1. Good. Ram is a good singer. Second, arrive. Ria arrived at the mall. 3. Read. He is reading a book. Fourth, aim. Ram aims to be a teacher. Fifth, they. They are repairing their car. Sixth, one. One must do one's duty. Seventh, mine. Those books are mine. Eighth, himself. He opened the door himself. Ninth, some. Some are born great. 10th, class. Nobody attended the class. 11th, someone. Someone stole my car. 12, few. Few knows her address. 13, myself. I hurt myself. 14, this. This is a mango. 15, mango. These are 7 mangoes. Thanks for watching.